Did you see me? The seagull? My balloon?
Oh, my poor little darling. Did you get scared? My goodness, you have terrible hiccups. But don't you worry about it. I have a surefire way to get rid of them, my darling. Drink upside down. Go on, gently now. You're almost there. Okay, we'll try something else. I have another good way to get rid of hiccups. You hold your nose, and then you count up to 5 while breathing through your mouth. 1, 2, 3.
Are you right?
Hey, can I play with you too?
I've got the hiccups. I can't stop them.
Oh boy, is it contagious?
Of course not. Don't worry about it.
But why doesn't it stop?
Is it gonna last for the rest of her life?
Oh my gosh! Can you imagine if she still has hiccups when we go back to school? And when she starts driving?
And when she gets married?
And when she has a baby?
I don't want to have the hiccups the rest of my life.
Don't worry, we're not gonna leave you like this.
I know. She has to stand on her head.
Oh, I can do that.
I've got one more idea. She needs something cold to run down her back.
Hey.
Have you gone crazy?
It's for your own good. You need something cold down your back. Mommy said so. You see? It worked.
Huh? Oh. You're all useless. Useless. The worst is not the hiccups. It's the things they make you do to get rid of them.
When I said run something cold down her back, I meant to just give her a little fright. Go get your sister. I've got sandwiches here.
What if we frighten her?
Oh, yeah, you're right. We'll scare her. A real big scare.
Not too big though.
No. We'll give her a nice scare. It's for her own good.
I'll have one beach towel and some sunscreen, please.
We'll borrow it and put it back later.
Yeah, this way we'll definitely scare her.
Oh. Wait, I don't have the hiccups. Yippee! Thank you, Mr. Dragon.
Oh, you're welcome. It's what I normally do.
Mommy! Mommy! A dragon!
A dragon? On the beach? That's impossible. Maybe you need to rest.
Oh, they're not gone yet? We thought that with the dragon... yeah, Mom. Me too. I saw the dragon.
Me too. A dragon as big as this.
Come on, darlings. Let's have lunch.
Yum. Oh, a dragon egg.
Yeah, give it to me.
They've got the hiccups. They've got the hiccups.
What about your hiccups?
They're finally gone. Hooray! Hooray! Yippee! I don't have the hiccups. I don't have the hiccups. I don't have the hiccups.
What's that?
It's from Japan. It's a present from Kiko.
What is it? What is it?
Is it a giant sushi?
Open it.
What is it?
A robot dog. It's Kiko's father's latest invention.
A robot dog?
He got that idea from a little dog that he knows. Oh, he's so very sweet.
Come on, what is this? I don't believe it.
Oh, he's so handsome.
It's just like a real dog without any of the hard work. It plays, it's clean, obedient, and it doesn't get in trouble. He's the perfect dog. Oh, it was just a joke, Toto.
Look. Go forward. Stop. Go back. Stop. Forward. Go back.
Now beg.
Oh.
Wow.
Sit.
Lie down.
Sit. Sit up.
Jump.
Huh, I can do that too.
Jump.
Oh.
Huh?
Sit up.
Stand.
Give me your paw. Wow, good dog.
Bop, 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 bop. I'm a good dog and I bark. 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 I'm a good dog and I bark.
Wow. And he can sing too.
I'm a good dog and I bark. I'm
Oh.
a good dog and I bark. I'm a good dog and I bark.
Oh no, Toto. Why are you making all that noise?
I'm a good dog and I bark. I'm a good dog and I
Good
bark.
dog. What are we gonna name it?
Sushi. We'll call him Sushi. Sushi. Sushi.
No, Toto, I've told you before not to beg at the table. Go away now.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, great.
Great.
Go on,
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go for a walk.
Sushi and Toto, both of them?
Yeah. Yippee.
Hello, children. Oh, what on earth is that?
That's Sushi.
Sushi's very handsome.
Here, Sushi. This is for you.
What about me?
Thank you, Mrs. Muffin.
I'm hungry too. It's not fair. Oh,
What happened, Toto? Did you fell?
oh. Yeah, go on. Now we'll see just how perfect you are. Yeah. You prefer technology. Well, I know somebody who's not going to be happy.
Oh, no. That's not good.
Oh no, not good at all.
Bad sushi, bad dog.
Poor thing. Don't be mad at him. He's just a little dog. He didn't know.
Yes, we'll clean it all up before Mommy sees it.
Quick, quick.
Failed.
Are you all right, Toto? He's jealous.
Me? Jealous? Huh, what rubbish.
You must be.
It's perfectly normal.
It's like when there's a new baby. The big brothers are jealous, but our hearts are big enough to love both of you. He's your new friend, you know. You see? He loves you already. He wants to give you a hug.
Friend? A friend? With a bean can? No thanks.
You gotta go to sleep now. See you tomorrow, my darlings. Sweet dreams.
I want to sleep with him. Give him to me.
No, me.
No, me.
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 Stop it. I have an idea.
Oh no. You know you're not allowed. Good night, Toto. Sweet dreams. Oh, it's hard.
It's cold.
Oh, it pokes.
Well, I'm all soft and warm.
Toto, darling.
Our very own Toto.
Sushi doesn't work anymore.
He's broken.
I know. We'll ask Grandpa to fix him.
Oh, no.
December 24th. We're nearly there. Mommy! How many hours till Christmas?
It's tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning? Oh.
We'll never make it till then.
Oh, neither will I unless you let me sleep. Let me get some rest.
Oh, 6 o'clock in the morning. Poor Mommy. Be careful, children. I can still turn back, you know.
Oh, no, we're not starting that again.
You should tell the triplets that.
We still have a day to be forgiven for all the terrible mischief we caused Mommy.
We'll only do things that make her happy.
Yeah. What shall we start with?
We'll put her shoes by the fireplace. That way, she'll have lots of presents, too.
Hey, we'll put ours there, too. The more we put, the more presents we'll get.
Are you sure?
Of course. It's so logical.
Oh, dear. That's not the way you get more presents. Quite the opposite. Right, my dears. Back we go.
What did I say?
46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Children?
Yes, Mommy?
What have you done now?
We just wanted you to get a lot of presents, too.
Oh, darlings, just for once, please, would you stop being so naughty? It's Christmas, and I have lots of work to do.
Of course, Mommy.
We just wanted...
To help.
Okay, well, how does this sound? You guys can put away your shoes, and I'll take care of the cleaning.
Huh? Yuck! This fireplace is so dirty. Father Christmas will not be pleased. He's going to get all dirty.
Mommy forgot to clean it. We can do it for her. She has so many things to do today. Poor thing.
That's really kind to think of their mommy and me. Actually, they've deserved their presents, I believe. Come on, let's go. Let's go now.
There now. Everything is clean.
Ta-da!
Oh!
The fireplace is nice and clean.
I thought you guys promised to be good. Go to your room and stay there quietly until supper time.
Yes, Mommy.
Oh, you know what, children? We're going to take a little break. Carrots?
Yay!
I don't think Mommy looked very pleased. Maybe we should stop trying to get her to forgive us. It's not working very well.
No, no, no. After all the silly things that we've done, if we don't be forgiven, we'll never get any Christmas presents.
Well, Santa, what are we doing now?
Some dessert.
It's Grandpa!
Aha!
Hello, Grandpa!
Hello, children. Now then, have you been good?
Let's just say we've had better days.
Look, my darling, I found something that's going to make you happy.
Oh, you found it. Oh, this was mine when I was little.
La la la.
Oh! It's funny. Every time that it snows, I feel sad.
You know, children, when I was little, it often snowed at Christmas time. It was so lovely. I loved it. Now it's gotten much rarer. What a pity. Oh, dinner's ready.
I have an idea. Come with me.
That looks delicious, darling.
Do you see, Mommy? A white Christmas, like when you were little.
Oh, you're being silly right to the end. Do you think that Father Christmas is gonna bring you presents after being silly like that?
Come on, you heard their mommy. Home we go. No presents for the triplets this year.
Now it's certain we won't get any presents.
Mommy?
Are you still angry?
I asked that you be good today, and you did just the opposite. I'm disappointed.
But you know, Mommy, everything that we did was to make you happy.
It's just that we're clumsy.
And we're unlucky. But it was so you can get lots of presents, too. The fireplace is nice and clean. A white Christmas, like when you were little.
Good night, my darling.
Good night, Mommy.
It's true, they do silly things, but it's always to make people happy. Come on, let's go. And this time, I mean it.
We'll see. I'm not sure we'll have any presents.
Wow!
Oh! Oh,
It's
great!
great! Yes!
It's exactly what I wanted.
Well, children, did Father Christmas spoil you?
You know what, Mommy? We're happy.
We are very happy. And you know something else?
We are happy to be happy.
Mommy, Mommy!
Today's December 26th.
How many days till Christmas?
Oh, 364.
Oh.
We'll never stick it out then.
Faster, Toto!
Not so fast, Toto!
Oh, Toto looks like he turned into a statue.
Huh? You said it. He's just spotted a cookie.
Wow, Toto. Supersonic. Well done, Toto. Never give up.
Nice work.
Wow, Toto really is a champion, isn't he?
Champion? Because your mutt simply steals cookies from others?
No way! He's a champion because he runs super fast.
If he's so good, then he should be able to win a medal at tomorrow's dog show.
Of course he can! Right, Toto?
You're a champion?
This way.
This way. Over left. Over here. Oh, come here, Toto. Toto, if you want a lovely medal...
You're gonna need some training.
Of course, but we don't even know what happens in dog competitions.
There must be a barking contest.
Come on, Toto, copy me. Woof!
Woof! Toto's got his cookie in his mouth. He can't bark.
Go on, Toto. Good job.
Hey, it's time to go home, children.
Great news! I'm starving.
I'm sure of it. Tomorrow there's gonna be an ear-scratching contest.
Come on, Toto. It's not that hard.
Well, I'm sure there'll be a dog food gobbling contest.
Faster! 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 With his appetite, Toto is sure to win a medal.
And all the dogs will want his autograph.
You're right, Toto. There could also be a snoring contest.
Yes, we'll show you.
How can I get any sleep with all this noise?
Hey, wake up, Toto.
Hurry, we're gonna miss the start of the competition.
Wow, this is the big day.
I'm too tired.
Wow, supersonic.
Here you go. Toto is entered in the competition.
There's plenty of places. There are only 2 dogs competing.
Do you want to take my photo?
Did you see? Mrs. Excel came to see Toto win lots of medals.
First contest, obedience test.
What test is that? We didn't practice him for it.
Come on, Toto, sit. We're jumping? Up then. Up. So you want to lie down?
Lie down and sit.
Don't worry. I'm sure they're not going to do any good in the ear-scratching contest.
I said lie down.
Oh, how should I know?
The competition is about to start. Maybe Toto will get a medal in the jumping contest.
I don't believe it. Another surprise test.
Oh, if it's going to be like this, Toto might never win a medal. Hey, don't you have any barking test or one for snoring?
Come on, Toto. Up, up, up.
Why go over when you can just go under? Huh?
It's the final contest.
And Toto will never win the obstacle race.
Oh.
Don't look so sad, my darlings. The most important thing is that you tried.
Ready? And go.
It's over. Toto will never be a champion.
Oh.
Oh, all this has given me an appetite.
A new record. Toto wins.
Well done! Well done, Toto!
Well done.
Hooray!
Smile.
Here, Toto. You really earned it. Toto, the hat! Cakes all around!
You ready to go to the park with Elliot?
Yeah!
Children, I have some special news for you. Nini is gonna be a big sister.
Huh?
You must be very nice to her, because when her new little brother or sister arrives, it's not gonna be easy for her.
But it's great to have brothers and sisters.
Yes, for you, but you all came at the same time, so it's not the same. Sometimes children are afraid that their parents won't love them as much when another baby arrives. Elliot, you'll go and pick up their snacks from the baker. I'm off. See you later, kids.
Oh, poor Nini. We'll be real nice to her.
Very, 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 very nice.
And me. I'll be nice to Nini for once. When you buy the chocolate buns, you have to be very nice because you know she's going to have a baby. Hello, ma'am.
Another baby? As if the triplets weren't enough.
Is it true? Is it true?
Are you gonna have a little brother or sister?
Is it true?
Yes, we'll know very soon if it's a girl or a boy. I'm going to see the doctor. I'm waiting for Kathy to come and look after the shop with Nini.
What do you want, a little brother or sister? Neither. I'm very happy all on my own.
A sister, a little Nini. And what if Mrs. Muffin has twins?
Or triplets?
Oh yeah, triplets like us.
Okay, come on. We're going to the park now.
Are you coming with us?
We'll take her back to Kathy.
What would you rather have?
I want a bike. I don't want a baby. But why aren't you happy? When you've got a brother or sister, there's always somebody to play with. A bike, too. I can play with that all the time.
Don't worry, Nini. A little brother will be great. You can teach him how to play soccer.
If it's a little sister, you can play soccer with her and at Princess's as well.
Don't worry. You'll see. A baby is an adorable thing, Nini. And you will love it, too. You can sing lullabies to the baby. Rock-a-bye, baby.
The chocolate buns! Oh, I forgot to buy the chocolate buns.
Oh, dear. Too bad. Thank you.
Wow, haven't you left yet?
Kathy, my sales girl, can't come. I won't be able to go to the doctor with my husband.
So we won't know whether it's a girl or a boy?
I can't close the bakery. I'm going to cancel my appointment.
Oh, no.
We'll look after the bakery.
Yeah, they're right. We'll look after Nini in the bakery.
Oh, that is really kind.
No, Mommy, stay with me, and we'll buy me a bicycle.
When the baby comes, Nini, I'll buy you a lovely bicycle, I promise. Well, now, the chocolate buns are cooking. Turn the oven off in 10 minutes.
Don't you worry about it.
Come on, let's play shopkeepers.
And Nini can serve the cakes. She's the baker's wife.
See, Nini, how nice my brother is? You're gonna have one like him. No!
You're so lucky you're gonna be a big sister.
I'd love to be in your place. Then the baby is yours. Huh?
You can't do that, Nini. A new baby means happiness for everyone.
Will Daddy and Mommy still love me with the baby coming?
So that's what's really bothering you. Don't worry, Nini. There are 6 of us at home, and our parents love us all just the same.
Our Mommy loves all 3 of us the same, too.
parents' love doesn't get divided. In fact, it just gets bigger the more children there are.
Do you have a little brother? Yes. Do you love him? Oh, yes. He is so sweet.
Oops.
Are you all alone? Where's the baker's wife?
Right here.
Well, are you serving? I have things to do, you know. A cottage loaf, and give me a macaroon, too. How much is that?
1,000 euros.
And how much are those there?
100,000 euros.
When I think that soon there's going to be another one of them.
You mustn't drive customers away.
Do you smell something really funny?
Oh man, the chocolate buns!
What's happening?
Mommy!
Well,
baby, what is it?
It's a boy.
And how many babies do you have?
Well, it's just one baby.
Oh.
It's okay. They're not totally burnt.
Do I get my bike?
You'll get it when the baby's born, my dear. He's bringing it for you.
Hurry up, baby. I want my bicycle. I love you very much, Mommy.
Me too, darling. I adore you.
And the bike has to be in pink with trailer wheels and a little basket to put dolls in and...
Oh, I don't have enough money.
For what?
For Grandpa's present.
So what do you want to give him for his birthday?
A rake.
A great present.
Yes, it's for his garden. Wait, no. A spade. Perhaps you have a better idea?
Yeah, I'm gonna give him a hat.
A gardener's hat?
Thank you. With this, I'll be able to garden even better.
No, a magician's hat. A really cool one.
Ripe tomatoes, pick yourselves. Carrots, rise from the ground.
But Grandpa isn't a magician. I know what he needs.
Oh, great. A knight's helmet. With this, I can defend myself against the dragons that are eating my garden.
We want to give Grandpa a present, but we don't have much money.
And what if you put all your money together?
Yes, that way we'll be able to buy him a lovely straw hat.
Wait, no, a magician's hat.
Hey, no, we said a knight's helmet.
Nonsense! We never agreed on that. The gardener's hat.
No, a magician's hat.
No, a knight's is better.
No way, a magician's
A
hat.
knight is better.
Listen to me.
Oh, just look at the lovely ties, children.
Grandpa would love a tie for his birthday.
Yes, he loves ties.
Oh, me too. I love ties. They're almost as good as socks.
Which one shall we get?
We ought to try them. The blue one. It's wonderful.
No, it's too long.
No! Oh! Oh! Oh!
We
Told you so.
So, the bow tie. It's prettier.
Oh! Oh!
Wow.
Oh! Hey! Oh! Wait. Oh, do you know? I can't see anything. Oh! Wow.
I'm really glad that we chose the stripy one.
It's wonderful. Come on, we have to hurry. We still have to wrap it up.
You have plenty of time to do that. Grandpa won't be here until later.
Huh?
my darlings. I know I'm a little bit early.
He mustn't see his present.
I'll keep him busy.
Oh, well, darling, don't we say hello anymore? What's wrong? Doesn't she give me a kiss anymore?
No, she's just,
Very sick.
Very sick?
It's contagious.
very contagious.
Oh, yeah.
You should have seen her in the park. She gave it to all the children, even to the park keeper, and even to the statue.
You just wait here. I'll go see how she's doing. Don't move. No, Toto, stop it.
Have you finished? He's coming.
Yeah, we can give it to him.
No, let's hide it. We'll give it to him at tea time, along with the cake.
Oh, I can see you're not as sick as all that, are you? And are you still contagious?
No. It's over. Just like that. It was a miracle.
Oh, look, Grandpa. One just for you, for your birthday.
Wonderful!
Oh. Huh?
How old are you, Grandpa?
I'm 75.
Oh, don't worry. You look great for your age.
We love you as you are.
Tea's ready.
Huh? Oh, that's more interesting.
But, Mommy, I don't understand. How are you going to get 75 candles on the cake? Huh? It's not possible.
Wait! You need a cake as big as,
As the table! Is it big enough for all the candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
No! It's not big enough! You need a cake as big as the piano!
Wow! 17, 18, 19... Oh, even bigger!
So as big as the Eiffel Tower.
37, 38, 39...
100!
No, come on, children. Don't exaggerate now. You see how your mother managed with the candles?
Oh, that's really smart. Happy birthday! And now, the present!
Did you take it, Mommy?
No, I did not. But it can't be that far.
Huh? Well, now, you little poacher.
I say, was it you who took Grandpa's present?
He's running away!
Bad boy, Toto!
Give us that present!
Come here!
Happy birthday, Grandpa!
This bit is for me.
This bit for me.
And this bit is for me.
Thanks to us, no one anywhere will have a tie like yours.
Daddy, you really are the best teddy bear.
Ooh.
My daddy!
I'm gonna do a load of laundry, sweetie. Why don't you give me your teddy bear so I can wash it?
No, not Teddy. Teddy is my best friend. I can't live without him.
I thought I was your best friend. Huh.
But he's so filthy. Before you can say boo, Teddy will be nice and clean again.
Boo, I said it. He's nice and clean now.
Very funny. I'm sure he smells really awful.
Let me see. Can I smell? He smells like cheese.
Oh, no, he smells more like snot.
That's not true. He smells like Teddy, and that's why he's great.
Can I smell him too?
She's really brave.
Oh, Teddy must take a bath this very instant. Teddies need to wash themselves just like kids.
Why do we have to?
To stay healthy, of course.
To be as beautiful as me.
Teddy doesn't like to wash himself.
Right, that's enough now. Give me your Teddy, please.
No.
One, two,
Oh?
three, yeah!
Oh, my turn. Huh. Huh?
I got you. Oh.
Did you hurt yourself? I'll take care of you.
Did you want to play with us?
You should have said so.
No, I simply want Teddy in the washing machine.
Oh.
I don't make such a fuss when I go to the dog groomer.
Oh, poor dear Mommy. You won't lend her your teddy. And, me? Would you lend it to me?
Huh. You're a big baby. You're a big baby, just a big baby.
Vroom, vroom. Vroom. Vroom, vroom. Doot, doot. Vroom, vroom. Vroom. Doot, doot, doot. Vroom, vroom. Woohoo, woo. What a crash! Doot, doot. Doot, doot. Doot, doot. Vroom, vroom. Doot, doot. Vroom. Doot, doot. Doot. And vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom. Doot, doot. Doot, doot.
Missed again.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. It's a bird. Hello, bird. Hello. Hello. Hey, hey there, bird. Hi. Hello, birdie. Hi. Hey. Toto. Toto, my puppy.
Let's make a fishing rod. You get something too, and we'll try to catch it, okay?
Listen carefully, Toto. This is the story of a little chick, just as soft as you two, and a mean fox that tried to catch him. But he never could catch him, because his mommy chicken protected him so very well. Huh? My teddy! Here, Mommy.
Oh, poor teddy bear. He's covered in stains. Awful stains. Come on, off to the wash you go.
Do polar bears know how to swim?
Uh-oh. Do you think he's going to drown?
We shouldn't have let Mommy take him.
See, that didn't take long at all. Now Teddy is nice and clean,
And he smells really good.
Yippee! Daddy's okay! Yoo-hoo! Yeah! Yeah! Yippee! Of course polar bears know how to swim.
Cuckoo. Wow.
See you after the What is it? Oh, nothing.
That little Nini is so sweet. Have you noticed? She waits for us every day just to say hello.
Well, she's really waiting for someone.
Her favorite. Her Prince Charming. Huh?
That's so sweet. You're lucky.
La 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 la.
We just need to make a quick stop at the bakery first.
I'll wait here with Toto. You try. I want to see. Coincidence.
Hello, Mrs. Muffin. I'll have a baguette, not too well done, please.
Oh, hello, children. But there are only 2 of you today. My Nini will be sad. Oh, I have a favor to ask of you. If you can, of course. I really don't want to impose.
Yes, what is it?
Well, if you could babysit Nini for me this afternoon, because I have to...
Hello.
Nini, darling, come here, please.
I am so happy. Yes.
But what is Nini doing here?
Mrs. Muffin asked Mommy to look after her.
That's really nice, isn't it?
You'll have lots of fun.
Are you coming?
Look, children, look what Mrs. Muffin gave us.
I was the one that chose them. And this one is especially for you.
Well, now, who's her little favorite?
What do we say to Nini?
Thank you.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Coming! Not you. Not you either. But where is he?
Go away! Go away!
Found you!
Right, it's my turn to count. Go and hide, I'm gonna find you. 1, 2, 3.
I'm coming with you. Hey, wait for me. I want to hide with you.
That Nini, she's so annoying.
I want to be with you.
I don't want to play hide and seek anymore.
I'm the teacher. Sit down. Take out your books.
Me, I know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 6, 11, 12.
12? And what's next?
Next I don't know. But next year, I'm going to school and I'll learn 13 and 14. I know a poem too. Once upon him.
I really like you, Nini, but I'm too young to get married.
Oh, I don't mind. I'll wait. I'm going to say my poem to your mommy. Once upon a time, there was a Prince Charity.
Don't make such a face.
Why don't you try to be nice to her?
She's not doing it to annoy you.
But what if you're in love with her too? Like in the poem.
That's not good.
Oh, you can tell us. We're not gonna tell anyone.
Well, I'm a girl, and I can feel things. One thing is sure. She is in love with you.
No, she isn't. You're talking rubbish. You have no proof. None at all.
Oh, boy. Now that's proof of love.
Hello. How do you like my decorations? It's St. Valentine's Day today. Sweetheart's Day. I did it all myself.
Well done. It's lovely.
Phew. So it's not for me.
This one here. I did it myself, just for you.
Oh, how sweet they are.
Say thanks to Nini. And she deserves a kiss, doesn't she?
Yuck. Ugh.
Dear Santa Claus, here is our list of presents.
Well, are you almost done with your lists?
Not yet. Hey, Mommy, how many days is it till Christmas?
Christmas? It's in 24 days.
24 days?
Oh, we'll never last that long, Mom.
Exactly, kids. So here are some advent calendars to help you pass the time. Each morning, you open a door and you eat the little chocolate that's inside.
Yeah, great.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy. Can we open one right now?
Yes. Today is December 1st, so you can open door number 1 and... When you've opened all the doors and eaten all the chocolates, that's when it's Christmas.
Well, then... So if we'll eat all of the chocolates now, it'll be Christmas.
Of course, Mommy said so.
One last one? Oh, it's too much. Come on. Mommy, we did it. We ate all of them, so it's Christmas.
What? Did you really eat all the chocolates?
Yes, it wasn't easy, but now it's time to open all the presents.
Oh, children, I told you it was 1 per day.
Oh.
It wasn't a great idea to eat all that chocolate. You'll make yourself sick. And it's better for you if you stop being naughty and just try to be good kids.
Why, Mom?
Because Father Christmas only gives presents to good kids.
Oh. Do you think Father Christmas saw us eating all of the chocolates?
And that he sees us. Really sees us?
Oh, of course I saw your tricks with the chocolates. That's not very, very naughty. But all the same.
And Daddy also saw the naughty things that we did this year. Yeah! Hey!
There! Did we load the presents for the triplets onto the sledge?
Uh-oh, not so fast.
But what if we don't get any presents?
There are still 24 days to go. We can make up for it.
Yeah, you're right.
Should I invite Nini? Are you really asking me that? Goodness, she'll be so happy.
Yeah, we've decided to be very nice. Do we load the presents?
Wait and see what they're up to first.
Hello, friends.
Nini, come in. Welcome to our house.
What's that?
It's our list for Father Christmas. We're writing it. Have you started yours?
No, I can't write.
I'll write it for you if you like.
You're so very nice. Well, I would like a dolly with a pink dress and braids with pink ribbons and a pink cradle with a pink baby and a magic wand.
Wait up, wait up. And a magic wand? Pink?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'll see if we have some pretty stamps to post it.
Oh. What? You've ordered a pile of pebbles and a new fridge? And a stuffed spider?
No!
Hey there, wait. Stop. Unload it.
Oh, Nini, please don't cry. It was just a joke.
Of course he wrote everything you wanted.
So,
don't worry.
Why is she crying?
You're so nice.
Yeah, that's better. Come along, load it up.
Huh? Oh, no. Seeing that we were nice to Nini, do you think we can put some extra presents on our list?
We can always ask.
Hello, children. Uh-oh. What's this here? The list of your naughty tricks?
Oh, no. We're not naughty anymore.
Right. Since you're so nice, I've brought you a present.
Oh, no. Not another calendar. They give you tummy ache.
Oh, no. Look at that. There are only pictures, no chocolates.
Phew.
Thank you for your present. You're the nicest babysitter.
We know that we haven't always been so nice to you, so we're going to make up for it.
Sit down there.
There, like that. Are you comfortable?
Come on. A little music will relax you.
It's really nice of you kids, really. I've got to go now. So long.
Huh? He seemed pleased, didn't he? There we are. Our list is finished.
It's a little bit long, though.
It'll mean a lot of work for Santa Claus. Do you think he'll be angry?
What if we gave Father Christmas a present?
We could give him a new suit. Maybe he's had enough of red. Perhaps he'd like a blue one?
Oh.
Well, it's fashionable.
Or a checkered one.
Oh, dear.
No, actually, red is best. We prefer it.
Oh, me too.
Or else, some shampoo to change the color of his beard.
Come along, Father Christmas. They may not be perfectly behaved, but they're funny, and that deserves a few presents.
Agreed. You can load up the sleigh now. But I've got my eye on them.
Well, children, have you finished your list?
Yes, here it is.
Wonderful, darlings. I will send it tomorrow. Wow. Well, I hope that you've been really good and deserve all of this.
20, 21, 22. Oh no, another 23 days.
We'll never last this long.